going on, everyone? Welcome back to Fused and Carbon. My name's Matt. I'm the builder, owner. This is the Tornado I just finished building. It's on a reverse flow offset smoker, as you can see. Maybe not, but there's the firebox down here. So it comes over and then it feeds up right here all the way to the top, and then it comes down and out right here and then up and out. And I use the calculator online to do all the math. This is a propane tank. That's a air compressor tank, and that it worked out perfectly for the air compressor tank to take the propane tank for the firebox. It worked out great. But this pit in particular doesn't have any leaks at all. So if I wanted to close it here, you can see there's not going to be anything coming out. Everything starts coming out back here. It's kind of cool, right? Everything flows back. But let's open it back up, and then you can see it goes right back in. So close it, see how much comes out. That's with the top all the way closed, open. So it's got great flow, as you can see. Great flow. Right now we're not cooking anything in it. Just kind of see how it spins. That's why it's called the Tornado. And then we got the top sausage hanger slash what you call it? I can't even think of it. Jerky hanger. So you can put all your jerky on here, or your sausages or whatever. And it's got two grates. This one's also removable. Not really ever gonna have to remove this one though. But, you know, I had two of these grates, but I had the other one up top here. It's like right here-ish. And it kept the top half, so like from here up, it kept that part like 300 degrees consistently, and then the rest of the pit would never get any hotter than 150. I don't know if it was due to that or what it was, but of course we had the door open. Let's see what this one says. Like I said, we had the door open for a second there. Alright, well, I'm gonna let it set for a little bit longer. I'm gonna put some chicken wings in it in a little bit, but right now we're just kind of letting it set and get a nice smoke on it.